Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DG Web Engineers. So today we will discuss what is bot filtering, and as if you know that whenever you click on to your own website for multiple times from your desktop, so it means it will be recorded in GA4, and in analytics you can check your live location also. If you click on this live location, check I open my own website in second tab, so it will definitely show you and that one visitor is from Mumbai, one visitor this one is I am, and one visitor is visiting this. Okay, so main thing is what is bot filter and how you can block your own IP. So now you have to click what is my IP address, and you have to open this website and copy your own IP, and then you have to just log into your Google Analytics ad account, and you have to go to admin, and after that you have to go to data stream. In this data stream you have to click on to your website. In this website you have to just configure tag setting. You have to click this in Google tags, so it will take some time. Now you have to click on show more. So in this you have to like define internal traffic. You have to click this tool, and now you have to create, for example, exclude my IP internal, and copy and paste it over here. So this is my IP. I will copy this, and I will come this and come here and paste this, and I will create this. Okay, so once this is created, already I have entered this IP address, so it is saying. I was just giving a brief and example for you how you can set it, and one is created for me, and I can see you are checking from your mobile as well as from your own desktop, so multiple times, so you can block your own IP. For more information you can subscribe to our channel.